Hello guy, welcome back to my channel YouTube Speaking News. Today I have a good news for share to everyone. All new 2022 Honda Civic 1.5 Turbo. The next gen Honda Civic will have a better looking athletic and angular design. All new 2022 Honda Civic 1.5 Turbo will have a better looking athletic and angular design, which reminds us of the newly redesigned 2021 Acura TLX, which is getting a 355 HP high-performance Type S model. The prototype version, which we'll see before the production-ready car, features a gloss black grille with a chrome Honda badge and gloss black wheels along with an integrated lip spoiler in the rear and dual oval exhaust pipes. All new 2022 Honda Civic 1.5 Turbo will undergo a full redesign that once again raises the bar for style, performance, safety, and advanced technology in the compact car market. Since it was first introduced in America in 1973, Civic has brought nearly 12 million U.S. customers into the Honda family. The all-new Civic Sedan will launch in late spring 2021 as a 2022 model year vehicle. Honda has confirmed that the 2022 lineup will include sedan, hatchback, C, and Type R models, meaning there will be varying power levels from various four-cylinder engines. They'll ride on a newer version of the current Civic's platform, and a manual transmission should be standard. The 2022 Honda Civic will arrive in the US in the spring, and pricing is expected to start in the low $20,000 range. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for receiving the news that you see first. Goodbye, see you at the next video.